This is tutorial number 6 for Resource FE+. This tutorial will take you through the following tasks: the linkage between consumer groups and Oracle Scheduler jobs, assigning consumer group through the job class, the consumer group screen. This tutorial carries on from tutorial number 5. Here we have Resource FE+ running. In tutorial number 5, you saw how we set the permissions of the user Colin to switch to the consumer group short reps. If we now go to the scheduler screen and look under the jobs, schema Colin, and at the job test argument job, we see that on the details on the right hand side, the job class is set to test job class. Looking through the job classes at test job class, we see that it is assigned the resource consumer group of wrong reps. Now we know that with Resource Manager the user Colin is assigned to the consumer group short reps. Okay, let's run the job and see which consumer group the session switches to. Moving back, highlight the job test argument job and then press the button run, confirmation yes, and then we go to views and the session screen. And we see that we can see that the session is running under the consumer group wrong reps. If we go to the mapping priority screen, views, we can see that the highest priority is set by explicit. This cannot be changed. In Scheduler we explicitly assign the job to the wrong reps consumer group, and this will always take priority. In the previous tutorial we looked at the session screen. There is another screen, the consumer group screen. If we go to the views, consumer group, we can see the consumer group screens. It has a row for each possible consumer group. If we highlight a row and then we press the detail button, we get the consumer group details screen showing the statistics for that consumer group. This data is invaluable when you are investigating performance issues. Go to the button, press OK. Now you should understand the relationship between consumer groups and scheduler jobs. Also, you should be aware of the consumer groups view. That concludes the 6th tutorial.